Hi everyone! In this lesson we are going to learn about inequalities. Inequalities are similar to equations, but instead of one exact answer we get a range of answers. So first of all, what is an inequality? An inequality uses these symbols, less than, greater than, and stuff. So let's take a look at the examples. So yeah, these do not give one number, they give many possible numbers. So let's move to solving them. Let's try this out. So 2x greater than or equal to 10. So first of all, to do that, we need to divide both sides by 2. And here we get the value of x, which is greater than or equal to 5. So one very important rule here, we get it. So there is one special rule for inequalities. When you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. So let's take a look at the example. Here we get an example, and so we divide both sides by -2. Because we divide by negative, we flip the sign. So you see here that it was -2x was greater than 6, and here we get the value of x, which is less than -3. So here we get two-step inequality. To do that, we need to first of all add 4 to both sides, and the value of x here is less than or equal to 6. So inequality with distribution. To solve it, we need to first of all distribute it. Here we get this 3x plus 3 less than 12. And we need to subtract 3 from both sides, and here we get the value of s of 3x, and we divide both sides by 3, and here we get the value of x, which is less than 3. It can be any number, but less than 3. Graphing inequalities. Quick look, just introduction. So when it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we use a closed circle, but when we get to use an open circle for less than or greater than, just without being equal to something. So we draw a closed circle at 2 here. Is it given in an example? And here we shade to the right because x is greater than or equal to 2. That's why we draw a closed circle here. So, summary. Let's review now. Inequalities show ranges of numbers. Solve them like equations and flip the sign when dividing or multiplying by a negative. So graph solutions on a number line. And so yeah, in the next lesson we'll learn about the coordinate plane and graphing lines, which is where algebra starts to look like visual. So thanks for watching and take your time with maths. Bye bye.